The Price module in RigER provides you with a versatile pricing system. Price lists, price agreements, discounts and markups, per-job pricing, and many more options allow a great deal of flexibility when it comes to managing your prices. From providing a quote to generating an invoice, during the life cycle of any job, there are a lot of documents that can include or reference pricing information. Keeping track of all your prices, especially when those differ from job to job, can become a cumbersome task and in many cases can lead to mistakes. RigER Pricing module gives you the ability to have full control over every single pricing scheme you have in the database. It keeps all pricing data consistent and intact, and provides the flexibility to have different pricing levels that apply to select jobs. There are three main documents that govern the pricing hierarchy. Price lists, general pricing information which will apply to all new jobs unless overridden by price agreements. Price agreements, client-specific pricing which you can set for any client, limit it by time period, or even provide different pricing for multiple divisions the client has. Rental service agreements, job-specific pricing. If you change any price in the RSA, it will become the price that will be used throughout the job, as it has the highest priority. There is a lot more to pricing in RigER than just these three documents: daily or periodic, service, sales rates, package and volume pricing, standby pricing, discounts, markups, and even more. Interested to see it in action? Give us a call and let us show it to you.